I just want to make a short video. Look at all this damn lightning. It is non-freaking stop. This is just south of me. Like, right now, y'all, I'm looking in the direction of Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta Airport. And they did show rotation on the radar just a couple minutes ago on our news, and I told my son, I said, oh my God, if a tornado were to hit our airport here in Atlanta, that would be horrific, because it's the busiest airport, international travel. Just look at this shit. I ain't seen a lightning storm like this and I don't know how long. I honestly wouldn't be surprised to hear here soon on the news that there hasn't been damage just south of me, because like I said, I haven't seen lightning like this since 2 years ago tonight, and that's when that EF4 hit Noonan. Damn. And it's gotten warmer out here. And it's real calm. Other than it's just now starting to rain a little.